Housewife. Every day, Clara wakes up at 6 in the morning. First, she prepares breakfast for her family. Then she helps Chris and Carlos get dressed and pack their school bags. At 7:30, the kids go to school with their dad. When the house is quiet, Clara starts her real day. She makes a coffee with milk and some toast. She eats breakfast slowly, listening to soft music. After that, she does some exercise, sometimes yoga, sometimes she walks around the living room. Then, she cleans the house, she sweeps, washes the dishes and organizes the rooms. At 11, she goes to the market to buy vegetables, meat and fruit. She likes to choose fresh ingredients for cooking. In the afternoon, Clara helps her children with their homework. Then, they play together or watch a movie as a family. At 8 o'clock, they all eat a light dinner, like soup or bread with cheese. At 9, the children go to bed, and Clara finally rests after a long day.
Thank you for listening. If you liked the story, subscribe for more. And follow us on Instagram.